Downloading apps on Android is simple if you know how to use the Play Store. Let me show you everything.
Every Android phone comes with the Google Play Store pre-installed. Look for this colorful triangle icon. Tap it to open. You'll see the main screen with a search bar at the top, and tabs for games, apps, and more. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account.
To find an app, tap the search bar at the top. Type the app name. Let's try WhatsApp. Results appear instantly. The official app shows at the top with its icon, rating, and download count. You can also browse by category. Just tap the menu icon to see all categories.
Before installing, check the details. Look at the star rating and read recent reviews. Scroll down to see screenshots of the app. Check the data safety section. It shows what data the app collects. Also, look at the permissions. The app must request access to your camera, microphone, or other features. This keeps you in control.
Ready? Tap the Install button. The app downloads and installs automatically. You'll see a progress indicator. Once it's done, the button changes to Open. Tap it to launch your new app. You can also find it in your app drawer anytime.
The Play Store keeps your apps up to date automatically. To check manually, tap your profile icon, then Manage Apps and Device. You'll see available updates. Tap Update, all to refresh everything. To uninstall an app, go to the Apps page and tap Uninstall, or long press the app icon on your home screen.
Here's a trick most people don't know. You can install apps remotely from your computer. Go to play.google.com in any browser. Search for an app. Click Install, then choose which device to send it to. The app appears on your phone automatically. No need to touch it. Perfect for setting up a new phone.
Google Play Protect works behind the scenes to keep you safe. It scans over 350 billion apps daily for malware. Every app is checked before you download it and continuously after. In 2026, Play Protect can even automatically disable dangerous permissions on harmful apps. You don't need to do anything. It's always working.
Your apps are tied to your Google account, not your phone. Get a new phone? Just sign in and your apps are there. You can also share purchased apps with up to 5 family members using Google Family Library. Set it up in Play Store settings under Family.
Running into problems? If you see not enough storage, go to Settings and free up space. If a download is stuck, clear the Play Store cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store Storage, then clear cache. If an app isn't compatible, it may need a newer Android version. And if you can't find an app, it might not be available in your region.
Pro tips. Use the wishlist feature to save apps for later. Just tap the heart icon on any app page. Enable auto update over Wi-Fi only to save mobile data. And turn on download notifications so you know when apps are ready.
That's everything you need to know about downloading apps on Android using the Play Store. Like this video, subscribe for more guides, and leave a comment if you have questions.